Buongiorno, foodies! The cold season is upon us, and sometimes we just want a quick, warm, comforting meal. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic pasta bake right in your convection steam oven. And guess what? You don't have to pre-cook those noodles either. So let me show you the way, and let's get started. Okay, foodies, to make our super delicious and easy pasta bake, all you'll need is a pound of pasta. I'll be using rigatoni today. However, feel free to use penne or ziti, whatever you prefer. Next, you'll want to use a pound of your preferred meat. I'm using chicken sausage today. You can use ground chicken, ground turkey, ground beef, just sausage. And if meat isn't your thing and you would prefer to use a plant-based meat, feel free to use that as well. Next, this is 4 ounces of chopped pepperoni. You can leave out this ingredient, or if you prefer, you can use prosciutto or salami, your preference. Next, you're going to want 48 ounces of your preferred pasta sauce. This is what I'll be using today. Next, you want a 16-ounce jar of giardiniera. You want to drain that jar and then chop the vegetables. Next, 4 ounces of pepperoncinis. I use the same brand. Next, this is a medium-sized yellow onion. You may certainly use red or white onion, whatever you prefer. I roughly chopped this onion. You may certainly use sliced onion if you prefer that. I know a lot of people prefer sliced onions in their Italian dishes. Next, this is 1 cup of mozzarella pearls, 1 cup of shaved parmesan, and 3 cups of shredded mozzarella and provolone cheese. Now, you will notice that the mozzarella is separated into a 1 cup portion and a 2 cup portion. For right now, this 2 cup portion, we want to put that to the side. We will not be mixing that with all these other ingredients at this time. That 2 cups of mozzarella will come later. Finally, you want 1 cup of water and a large casserole dish. Next, foodies, you'll want to find a very large bowl that you can combine all your ingredients in and mix together very well. And remember, you're just using 1 cup of the mozzarella for right now. The other 2 cups you've put aside, but all our other ingredients are now going to be mixed together into a large bowl. And once you've mixed that very well, you're going to put that mixture into your casserole dish. Our beautiful looking pasta bake has been loaded into the casserole dish, which you do not have to grease, by the way. You can just pour your mixture straight into your casserole dish, and you do not need to cover this dish. Do not cover it with foil. It is now ready to be loaded into your convection steam oven. Our pasta bake is loaded into the convection steam oven. You'll want to place your casserole on the wire rack on level 2. Now, this is not necessary, but y'all know how I feel about messes in my steam oven. I have put the solid pan to catch any possible drippage on level 1. This just helps for cleanup later. Now, today we are doing something different from in the past. We are going to be using the Convection Humid Mode. The Convection Humid Mode is fantastic for making casseroles like pasta bake, lasagna, and breads. This machine keeps the environment while your food is baking humid. This machine is going to do all the heavy lifting for you by keeping your food moist. You'll set your convection steam oven to convection humid, 375 degrees. And you're going to set your timer for 45 minutes. Now, when your oven is completed cooking after 45 minutes, this is where you're going to add those extra 2 cups of mozzarella provolone mixture to the top of your pasta bake. And then you will put the casserole back in the oven, convection humid, 375 for about another 10 minutes, could be 15. You'll just want to pull out the pasta bake when the cheese is beautifully browned. The pasta bake is done, foodies. Let's open up the CSO and see what's inside. Wow. Looks fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. This pasta bake is perfection. It's not even a question. Now, I would highly suggest letting your pasta bake rest for a little while, maybe about 10 minutes before serving. This pasta bake is sure to please. I always like to cover it with a little bit of fresh basil and serve it with a glass of my favorite grape juice. Enjoy! Amazing pasta made right in your convection steam oven? You're probably wondering why you haven't been doing it sooner. I hope you enjoyed today's culinary adventure, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva, the Steam Oven Diva.